All right, let's talk about the graphs of some common functions. And we'll start with this one right here, y equals x. Okay, and this is really x to the first power. Y equals x is a linear function, linear equation, and it's going to make a line. It's going to look like this. Now, we also have this, y equals the absolute value of x. Okay, and I think a lot of people have this one kind of memorized, y equals absolute value of x. And what it is, it would take that line that was the x, but it's only going to take the positive portion of it. So this part here would actually go like this. So the graph of y equals absolute value of x makes a V, a big V. All right, and now we can talk about y equals x squared. Okay, and this one makes, it's a parabola. It makes a big smiley face. Okay, I like to talk about if it's positive, it makes a big smiley face. See the face right there? And if this was negative, if it was a negative x squared, it would make a big frowny face. Okay, negative. All right. So y equals x squared, our basic function without being negative, is the parabola. All right, and then we have y equals the square root of x. Some people like to call this a zinger. Zing, like that. And it's actually a parabola that is flipped sideways. If you had this part of a parabola and you flip it sideways, and now they don't show the negative part of it because you can't have a negative under a radical. Not in the real world. Then we have y equals x to the third. And that one has a parabola right-hand top part, but the bottom part that was here is now flipped down. Okay, so this one ends up looking kind of like a snake. And then similarly, the cube root of x is going to be like that same snake, but it's going to be this way. Okay, so these are our six common functions. And you need to get to know these, because what we're going to do next is we're going to take something like this parabola here, and we're going to be moving it. You know, maybe we'll move it down, or maybe we'll move it to the right, or to the left, or maybe we'll flip it over. So get used to these six common functions. Okay, and now in an attempt to make this video more active, let's see if you can write these down in your notebook, flip the page, and see if you can draw them. Okay, you can rewind this video and see what the real answers